Stay in there. There we go. I knew he'd move pretty quick. We got an eagle right in the tree there. Yep. He's hanging around because we got a deer pile with guts. They're finding it good eating. There he goes. I got two of them. Got two of them out there. The eagle, the other one might be a hawk, I'm not sure. He's right up in that tree right there. There he is. He's wary. So I don't know about the situation here. There we go. They don't get any prettier than that.
Tried to jump and he didn't make it. And he
No, he's not going to make it.
So he's out there.
Well, he's just standing there. So, juvenile eagle. Barty, go get him. Yeah, I'm taking care of business.
I wonder where Mom's at. She's got to be close.
All right, I'll get him to fly. Maybe. Boo! I got the sun now blinding me out. There we go. Hey! Up in the air!
There's a gut pile behind them.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, you ain't anywhere near me. All right, so this is a juvenile bald eagle. And he just come landed here in the backyard. We're out here in Missouri, land of gun rights and lower taxes. That's why I'll probably move out here. Yep, that crow's going, hey, I'm not happy about you out here.
It's a boy turkey.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, you think you'd get more views with these.
You gotta look at him through.
All right, we're running through it. No, I got him there.
Okay.
That hawk or the blackbird is not happy about him. Yeah, that's what I was looking at the other day. Was a juvenile.
This is the bag.
He's just sitting there. There he goes. There we go. There. Now we got a show. There, I was driving. I was like, what is that out there? And I'm looking at it, and it's an eagle. Yes, sirree. Just sitting there in the trail, just relaxing. I'm down here on this country road, so I'm just peeking every now and then to make sure no one's coming. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So he does look like gotta be an eagle. If I can get closer to him, maybe if I get him to get his wingspan open. I wonder why he's just sitting there. There he goes. There we go. There, now we got a show. Or if he's a golden eagle, I'm gonna have to kind of really take a good look at him when I get a chance. It's a pretty awesome bird though. That's for sure. We got two does. Doe right, oh, and a buck with missing half his antler. Safe place for you. Look at that, red fox. Hopefully I'm getting them good. So I know there's one out here. You don't see them very often. That's pretty cool. Yep. Red fox out here at the farm.